Hey guys, we are on Lightning Link, the nautical one, whatever that one is. I literally just missed the grand by one ball, and he is 131,000. Huh. I'll just scooch back so you can possibly see this. Started out good, got a $250 ball, a $100 ball, a mini for 100. Couple $350 balls. Not too shabby. Uh-oh. What would Lady Luck say? Save the day! No saving of the day, but that's okay. That wasn't bad at all. What did we end up with? Oh, we're at Aria, betting $5 on 10-cent denomination. Not bad, not bad, not bad. 640 bucks on a $5 bet? Absolutely. See you on the next one. Alright guys, that took us way down. We are still on Lightning Link. And we started out with a $75 ball, $50 ball, $20, $100, $100, $250, betting $5 on the 10-cent denomination, and $25 ball. I'm still mad that I missed the grand just a little while ago by one ball. That one hurt my feelings. Sure did. Huh. Where's the minor? Is he in there? Mini, minor, major, grand, perhaps. Oh no. Come on, give us one more, little fella. No? Oh, there's one. There, I gotta keep leaning in to hit the button. Ooh. Ugh, of course not. One more! Something with words, please. Crap. Oh well. You know what? That was still a good bonus. We'll take it. It doesn't want to give me bonuses at all, and then when it does, they're like big bonuses. Because on $5, this is a nice bonus. Sure is. Yeah, see, it put us almost back to where we were. We were up to 900, and now we're down to 225. That's 685. So now we're back up to 910. See what it just did there? Maybe it'll give me one sooner than $600. Seven? Yes, $700 to get this bonus. All right, see you in the next one. All right, well, that did not take 700 to get back into. It only took about 200 to get back into. Started out with the mini for 100. $20 balls, $15 balls, $10 balls. $10 ball. How about some more words, please? Uh-oh. Come on, little fella. I'm losing my voice if you can't tell. One more. No, don't do it. It did it. Oh, well. I think that put us right back to where we were. Once again. Pretty much. 180 bucks. I'll take it. Okay, we just came out of the hold and spend bonus, and now we have the free spins bonus. Haven't seen him in a few $100s. Oh, I got a ball in the middle on the first one. Yay. Alright. Fill her up. Oh, it's a $100 ball. We'll take him. Absolutely. $50 ball. Nice. Oh. Oh, another $100 ball. We'll take him. Yes, we will. That's a $50 ball. So essentially the ball in the middle sucks. But the rest of the balls are pretty good. One more for the grand for 131,000. Wouldn't that be special? Nah. Let me hold my breath. Last spin. Nope. Raise your hand if you saw that coming. Not bad. $375. We'll take him. What was it, my first spin in the free spin bonus? I think so. I'm trying to keep it in focus, but I'm leaned way back so you guys can see this shit. Alright. What else you got? Some queens. Yeah, that's queen. No. Yep. Is that all it's gonna give me? Looks like it. Oh, wild. Alright, we'll take a wild. What is that? 389 bucks. And we will take it. Do the next one. Well, I just put my phone down and got another free spin bonus on Lightning Link. We're still betting $5 because if I go up to $10, I'm certain it's going to tell me to go home. Alright, give us a ball or some re-triggers or a wild. We'll take a wild. How much is that? $47. Ball. Biscuits. Got some starfish. Up to 63. Give me the ball, bro. Nope. Kings. 98 bucks. Well, shit. Oh, my ball just went by. 98 bucks. We'll take it. Alrighty, guys. We went down about 100 bucks and we're back in the free spin bonus on Lightning Link. The last one was like 98 bucks, so I'm hoping this one is better. You never know what you're gonna get. Some jacks. Where's my ball, bro? Or my like re-triggers. Aw, biscuits. Nope. This is gonna be worse than the last one, huh? And I got some jacks. Ball! Yay! There's a ball. Saved by the ball. Alright, $50 ball. What else you got? You got anything with words on it? Words. $20 ball. Whoop. Wiggly. Sorry. $5 ball. 50. $5 ball. Come on with the words, little fella. Aw, biscuits. One more? Nope. 80 bucks. That's better than no bucks, right? And that was my last spin, so that brings us to $119, and we'll take it. You know, this machine's really picking up. We just had the free spin bonus, and then we actually got it again about 5 spins later. But I deleted that one because it was only like 40 bucks, and nobody wants to see that. I don't want to see that. But anyway, about 10 spins later, of course, we got the hold and spin bonus. Trying to hold it still, but it's hard, guys. And yes, I do have a tripod. I was using it earlier. Look at the mini. Anyway, I was using my tripod earlier, but my other half has gone up to the room to go to bed, and he took it with him. Okay, one more. We got one more spin. One more. No? Biscuits. That's okay. This machine's really picking up. Like, I put 300 bucks in it before I even got a bonus. And now it's just hitting things after things after things, isn't it? I'm a big fan of that. Do some things, man. I promise you I'm not going to have a voice tomorrow. 270. We will take it. Yep, we're definitely on a roll over here. Maybe about 10 spins later and got another bonus. No progressives, but we do have a $75 ball up in there. And you know what? It is actually adding up. We've had some big bonuses, some decent ones, and some Oh, last spin. Oops. One more, little fella. No? You know what? I don't care. That's fine. As long as it keeps putting us in the bonus, it'll keep adding up, and we're okay with that. Yep. 135. We'll take it. All right, we are back in the hold and spin with some big balls. Go. We got $100, $100, a 250, 75, a 50. We're starting out nice on this one, huh? I hope it gives us something else though. No. Oh, there's one. A lot of times when it gives you the big balls on the front end, it doesn't want to give you anything else. Well, it still might be the case. Last spin. Yep, that's okay. You know what? That is perfectly fine. 250, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 something. That's really not bad on a $5 bet, guys. Like, it's really not. $630 on a $5 bet. We will absolutely take it. Big fan of that. See you on the next one. This machine is getting to be outrageous, man. Seriously, we just had the free spin, or not the free spins, the hold and spin. And now we're back in the free spins. Although the last two of these, the last two of these, I'm not posting those because they were so small. Come on, little fella, something good in the middle. Where's my ball? Oh. Fish. No ball? You got any balls in there? Nope. Some starfish. 97.50. We'll take it. And we're literally right back in it. That's crazy. I mean, the last few have been not so good. 2 of them not posting. The last one was like, I forgot what it was. Like 97 or something. But you gotta remember, we're only betting $5, so I will take whatever it decides to give me. Although I would like a ball, please. No. Oh, retrigger. Finally a retrigger. Now, do you got a ball in the middle? How about the major? Minor, perhaps? Oh, there's a ball in the middle. That's $100 right there. All right, what else you got? Whoop. Super wiggly. $25 ball. Anything with words? Uh-oh. Any other balls? Please. No? No. Oh, well. 125 is better than 0, right? We'll take it. Oh, we still got another spin. 2 more spins. Got another ball. Nope, that's all right. 158. We'll take it. All right, we played it down some. We're down to 1,600, and we're back in the hold and spin bonus. No really big numbers this time, but it all adds up. Oh, there's a $100 ball. We'll take him. He's our friend. Yep. Oh, $50, $20, $50. 2 more for $131,000. If that's even possible. Probably not. Last spin. Yay. Biscuits. That's alright. We'll take it. We'll take it. We will absolutely take it. What's that? 300 maybe? I'm telling you, when I play $5 in St. Louis, I don't hit stuff like this in Vegas. $340. Back in business. This is crazy. 5 spins later, guys. Literally 5 spins later, and we're back in the hold and spin. This is cray-cray. Got any big balls, bro? Something with words on it? I feel like we're being deprived of words today. Although I'm not bitching. Nope. We're enjoying our bonus rounds, right? Oh, no. One more little fella? Perhaps? One more. Nope, that's fine. Is that even $100? I don't care. It was literally 5 spins later. So, 110 bucks. Hip hip hooray. Alright guys, we are back with our little fella, our little dolphin boy for our free spin bonus. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be here tonight because I am exhausted and we are going to look at houses tomorrow. And if I am not up, when he's ready to go look at houses, he's going to be mad. Oh, we got some fish. Can I get a ball in the middle, please? And thank you. No? No ball for me? Nope. Doesn't look like it. No, wild. What's that? Alright, $86. Woohoo.